stop what you're doing right now. Keep watching to find out why that mix is driving you crazy and you just can't get it right. Whenever you're producing music, writing music, mixing music for hours at a time, you may start to suffer from something called ear fatigue. Ear fatigue is what happens when your ears get tired. When your ears get tired, you start to make bad decisions. You might start to ask yourself questions like, does this snare sound any good? Am I using the right reverb? Do I even know how to make music? Do I know what I'm doing anymore? You start to doubt your choices, and you even start to focus on things that aren't really there. And if you find that you're going around in circles and the track still isn't sounding good, stop. Close the session and come back tomorrow with fresh ears. Whenever I'm mixing, I tend to work for an hour, take a little break, work for another hour, take a little break. Or if you're going to do something that drastically changes the mix, do it and then walk away. Go make a tea, go make a coffee, do whatever, and then come back and listen again. This is even more important when you're working on headphones. Always remember, take regular breaks, don't listen too loud, and don't let ear fatigue trick you into thinking that you're not any good. So leave a like if this has happened to you and share this with your fellow music makers. Big love. Bye.